Here's how to change the hot end for the Anycubic Kobra S1. The first thing you need to do is turn off the printer completely by turning the power switch off and unplugging it. This will prevent electrical hazards and the nozzle from heating up during this process. Next, we need to remove the tool head cover. Make sure to disconnect the wire. The cover should be completely free from the tool head. This next step is a bit tricky. We need to disconnect the wires to the tool head, which is underneath the entire tool head. Now we just need to move this lever up and it will release the entire hot end. Now to replace it, we just need to follow the steps backwards. Insert the hot end, pull the lever down, connect the hot end wires to the tool head, put the cover on without forgetting to connect that first wire, and plug the printer in. Now that everything is replaced, you should be running a test print. This ensures your nozzle is heating up correctly and that there will be no clogs in the future. So make sure to run the calibrations and a test print. I ended up printing this little base model that I designed in Fusion 360, and I have a little bit of elephant's foot. That is why it's important to run a test print after the nozzle. I will have to calibrate this printer further to remove that artifact. That concludes this video today. I hope you figured out how to swap your hot end, and if you did, please consider subscribing and liking the video.
Enjoyed this, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, you nerd.